If you love the softness and convenience of I Want to Make a Blankie, then you have to check out its big brother, Cover Story. Let me show you what you're going to love about Cover Story. Cover Story is a chenille texture yarn, which means it's cuddly and soft. It's super bulky, so it works up really fast, and it's also great for beginners. And with just one cake, you can make an entire throw blanket or coverlet. Get it? Cover Story. Cover Story comes with 2.2 pounds of yarn in each cake. In case you can't tell how big that is, here's a quarter for scale. That's 547 yards, so you won't be weaving in a lot of ends. And because it's 100% polyester, it's machine washable. I also really like the colors of this yarn. There's multicolors and solids, and you will definitely be able to find one that coordinates with your decor. Okay, let's get this on the needles, but before I swatch, as always, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Here I've got swatches in both a solid and a multicolor. I chose this multicolor because it reminds me of an animal print, so I really wanted to see how that worked out. And I love the way it looks. It feels great too. It's soft and velvety. I can definitely see myself under this blanket watching a movie. It's also so much fun to work with this yarn. Again, I've got 2 swatches here that I knit, and it knits up so fast. This is perfect if you like instant gratification. You'll have a throw finished in no time. This swatch is so squishy, I just want to wrap myself up in it. Inside the label, there's a pattern for a beginner level knit afghan, but on lionbrand.com you can find plenty more free knit and crochet patterns featuring Cover Story. And you don't only have to use this for afghans. This yarn would also make great accessories and other home decor projects. Get creative. I can't wait to see what you're going to make with Cover Story. Happy stitching!